What are we gonna do? Frickin' shoot flames? Oh, flames! Yes! Yes! Is he here? I wanna know, Let me look. Let me look. You can't see, there's something in where the f***ing door. We got Legos. And what else? We got K-Toon, boy, K-Toon.
Oh, sticker!
Oh, that's the best.
Another sticker.
Oh my gosh, I love stickers.
Oh. A header.
Oh my god, it's fucking beautiful.
It's so heavy. And a test pipe. That's where the O2 sensor goes.
Nice. We gonna be catless, baby. Alright, hold it up. Oh my god, it's magnificent. Oh my god, look at that, the way they do this. Oh my god, that. Oh geez, that is fantastic. Let me see the test pipe. Yes, there you go. So, we have begun our install. All we needed to do was try and get this exhaust off. We only got the heat shielding off, so we've got to get a bunch more bolts in there. Yeah. And we got frustrated because Kara couldn't break any of the bolts.
It's very hard.
Yeah, it's definitely difficult, especially when they're probably seized on there. Because how many miles are on this? 170,000? Yeah, 180,000 miles.
190.
Yeah. So, Eric is going to be coming over, and he is going to help us install the exhaust. Hopefully we'll get it done tonight. I'm not quite sure if we will. We definitely won't be able to start it up because it'll probably be too late.
Later.
That's pretty loud.
Nah. But when we have it done, there's going to be pops, bangs, flames, and tons more. Is Arik here? Hi, Arik. So it's not sketchy to do this. I mean, it kind of is, but it's not. Ready, I'm gonna zoom in. Woo!
So sketchy.
It's moving so much, bro.
Okay, it's good now.
I don't like doing stuff with cars. It's scary.
Oh, yeah. Look at my bald ass tires. Oh my god.
Are they? Oh my god, yeah.
The other side is way worse.
Oh, look at all the oil. Oh my god, Kara. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
What are you done so far? My face.
Eric unscrewed some bolts for the heat shielding. He unplugged the O2 sensors, and we're working on getting everything else apart.
Nice.
No.
Say it again.
No.
What did you just say?
No, see?
You said momentum breaks virginity. This guy.
This is about the size. It's not long enough.
We don't
That's what she said.
Okay, we took that thing off,
Yes.
and then he took it off, and now he's taking off the bolts to the exhaust manifold.
Nice. Use your true Papi Muñeño strength. Come on, baby. Oh yeah, look at those muscles.
Papi Muñeño.
Fucking muscles.
Nice.
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 I'm not actually able to work on the car because of my back injury. But let's go see how they're doing with the exhaust. Yeah. How's it going?
A little trouble.
Oh no. What happened? As you can see, Arik is back here sawing the mount that we couldn't unbolt. That was the whole issue that we were running into in the last scene. We finally did it. We can start installing the new frickin' header. Not headers, header, as they keep freaking correcting me. Oh, here it comes. Yes.
Yeah.
Chaz. Yes,
Oh my God, this
Chaz.
is so heavy.
What are you doing?
This is so heavy.
I'm so proud of you guys.
Alright, start.
Out with the old, in with the new, baby. That's a huge difference.
Yeah.
That's ridiculous. Go grab the test pipe. So, all of that grossness is being replaced by this beautiful work of art.
Yeah.
And who made these header? Or the header?
Okay.
K2. Nice. It's cold out here. It's like 11, almost 11 o'clock at night.
I'm not cold.
We started at 8. Clearly installing it is gonna go a lot faster.
No, it's not.
No?
in there.
No, it's not.
I'm the fart, but I'm scared
But
of
look.
the fart.
Oh my god, that was a scurry fart.
You didn't know if you were gonna poop?
Yeah, no, I think it does have to go from the top.
How is that big old thing gonna fit in there?
Right?
Let's find out.
Yeah. Oh, look, the perks is being tall as hell. Just hold this up and get a good angle. See, I have a hurt back, but I can come do this every once in a while. That's fine.
Just run it like that.
Okay.
Okay, it looks good. Alright. Yeah, that's fine. So we have yet to be able to get the exhaust in from the top or bottom. And so we have removed the strut brace, and now we are removing the front sway bar in hopes that we can try and get it in there, because it's just really difficult. We could take these, we could take the springs off, but who knows if we're going to be able to get them back on once it's in there. So we'll try this. It should be good. It's in. She's in, baby.
Which way does
Oh,
this go?
yeah.
3 bolts on the bottom.
Chupapi muñeño.
So you know what to push.
Okay.
Oh my god, it's in there. Oh, look at that, Cara. That is some
I need you to grab.
I'm so excited. I'm so fucking ready. I'm so ready to hear the pops and bangs. It looks so good in there.
Huh?
Do you love it, Cara?
I love it.
I love it.
Fire.
Test pipe. Let's put that on.
Got this. I don't think it goes on there.
Now we're down here. Hi, Alric. Yes. Oh, it's gonna
Oh, look amazing.
Oofy.
Yeah, it's just gonna go like that.
Oofy. Look at that. It's perfect. And there's Cara's freaking oval exhaust. That sounds amazing.
You see where this is?
I'm not looking at you.
I know. I don't know why I was asking you that.
You see where this is? I came down on the ground one time. Just because I had to see. What are you asking? Alric is putting in the last bolt. And then still gotta tighten
Do you know what the torch spec is on it? Can you look it up?
Me?
Yeah.
Torch back.
Oh,
Exhaust manifold.
Okay, good on, man. Alright. We are ready for the first start. Hold on.
obviously in neutral, because otherwise you're fucked. Wait.
Prime it.
Wait.
Oh god.
Go.
Not too bad. That's pretty good. Oh god, it's getting louder. That's pretty loud. Re-explain why we can't drive it yet?
The
Because
sway bar needs to go over the exhaust.
no.
Fuck.
Well, it
It shouldn't be
sounded
too
good.
hard.
It sounded good. We're excited though. I mean, he has to pee, but that's okay.
It shouldn't be
We're so excited. Yes,
It sounds good.
it sounds real good. It's real nice. You got them pretty freaking exhaust in there. God damn.
Yes.
And it smells good too. Yeah. all of the gas. Harder, Daddy. Harder. Harder. We finally finished the exhaust. It's oh fuck. I walked into the door. It is 1:23 in the morning. It is too late. It's straight piped. He washed his hands 8 times and they're still black. And yeah, we don't care. We're gonna annoy the shit out of our neighbors and start it up anyways. All right, here we go. First official full start. Smoker's going away, it's idling down, it's looking good. Oh, that sounds good. That sounds a lot better. It's much more grumbly and like...
Do you smell it?
Yes, how can you not? Well, Arik, that concludes our install. And by our, I mean yours, because you completely did it as he's not paying attention.
Yeah.
But, yeah. It sounds insane. You got some clips, and you'll see.
We have a little loose.
Yeah. A loosage. We gotta get the frickin' bolts.
We actually have to put the O2.
Oh yeah, we need to put the O2 sensors. We have just the bolts in the exhaust right now, so it's rattling around and sounds stupid. But other than that, it sounds insane. And we're gonna drive it tomorrow morning, even more all day, and just bang bang, pop pop everywhere. Yes. But yes, thank you again, Arik Whitley, for coming over and being the most badass of badasses. Get yourself an Arik. Okay.
Suck at shifting.
Move, Cara. Jesus. That sounds so mean. Dude, and the wrap and the wheels and everything just looks fucking ridiculous. Yes. Venom Dart. Wow. God damn. It looks really good too.
What's that lady watching?
It definitely did
Loud.
It is?
Yes.
I've never heard it from the outside because no one knows how to do it.
I'll send you
know
that
how to
video.
do
I know how to do it. We understand because our freaking Challenger.
Drive safe. Send nudes.
Yeah, all the things. Yeah.
Okay.
But
Love you.
do another fart. Definitely do another fart.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I want to hear another fart for sure. Give me the fart. Give me the fart. What the fuck? Holy crap, go up there again and do it one more time. That's